import products from Dropship.io to Shopify, follow these steps. Connect Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Install Dropship.io app. If you haven't already, install the Dropship.io app from the Shopify App Store. Follow the prompts to add it to your Shopify store. Product selection. In Dropship.io, browse or search for products you want to sell on Shopify. Use filters and categories to refine your search. Product import. Once you find a product, click on it to view details. Use the import button or similar feature provided by Dropship.io to add the product to your Shopify store. Customization. Customize imported products within Shopify to fit your store's branding and pricing strategy. Edit product titles, descriptions, and set your retail prices accordingly. Publish products. After customizing, publish imported products on your Shopify store. Ensure all product details, images, variants, and pricing are accurate. Sync inventory and orders. Dropship.io will handle inventory updates and order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Dropship.io will manage order processing and shipping details with the supplier. Monitor and optimize. Monitor product performance and adjust marketing strategies as needed. Use analytics within Shopify to track sales and customer engagement.